You want to nurture dozens or hundreds of TikTok accounts to test content, explore market fit, or scale a seeding team, but you don't want to be tapping away all day. Meet Box Phone, the heart for managing and automatically nurturing TikTok accounts. I'll keep this short and clear, like a 3-minute chat, just enough to get you excited to try it. What is Box Phone? In short, it's a system, hardware plus software, that simulates many Android phones on a single server. Each phone behaves like a real device. It has the TikTok app, cookies, data, and its own proxy, so you can run multiple accounts simultaneously while each account still acts like a human, watching videos, liking, commenting, following, posting, and following scripted watch times. Why use Box Phone for TikTok? Save time. Instead of operating dozens of physical phones, you run hundreds of virtual phones on one machine. Safer for accounts. When configured correctly, proxy, fingerprint, warm up, checkpoint risk is lower than chaotic manual management. Fast scaling. Want to test 50 thumbnail or caption variants or run A divided by B tests? Box Phone helps you replicate quickly without manually switching profiles. Cost efficient. Save on labor and avoid buying hundreds of physical phones. Nice features you love. Create and manage many profiles. Each virtual phone holds one profile, easy to clone and refresh. Automatic warm up. Scripted daily behaviors like watching, liking, and following to heat up new accounts. Smart auto watch and interaction. Customize watch time and like divided by comment ratios to mimic natural behavior. Proxy and fingerprint integration. Each phone uses its own proxy to avoid IP collisions. Fingerprints can be customized to reduce risk. Schedule posting and seeding. Post videos on a schedule and auto comment to amplify crowd effects. Logs and reports. Track follower growth, views, and engagement rates per account.